In this video, I will help you understand how to interpret function notation for this scenario. It says if WT represents the water depth and T is T number of days, so time in days, and we're looking at water depth in feet, to write a sentence for what this function notation would represent. So if you look at WT, notice how the T changed to 0, and T was measured in days. So what I'm going to first talk about is the water depth at 0 days, which I think really means at the start. The water depth was equal to water depth in feet. The water depth at the start was 2,000 feet. For this scenario, notice how the T now changes to the number 7. So instead of at 0 days, we're now 7 days later. So the water depth at 7 days is this amount of water depth in feet, so 1,500 feet. And then WT here is at 40, so at the 40th day, T number of days, minus the 39th day. So what they're tracking is 1 day in time. From the 39th day to the 40th day, did the water level rise? Did it fall? So if we're going to take the 40th day compared to the 39th day, and when you subtract, you get a positive, that's going to mean that the water level rose. So from this day to this day, it went up 300 feet because this is a positive. If it was down, that would have meant it lowered 300 feet. So from the 39th to the 40th day, because that's the 2 days that we're tracking, the 39th day to the 40th day, the water depth, so the difference between those days, is a positive 300, meaning it rose 300 feet.